What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and today we have a blood red day for both crypto and stocks. Now, I will be putting out a stock focused video in a little bit here, but let's look over the crypto market. I'm going to give you some levels to look out for. We're going to look over Bitcoin, VGX, Ethereum, and Cardano. We do have some patterns forming on the chart. And before I get into this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out the free links for some crypto and stocks, and join the Discord. It's free to join. Now, first off, we have Bitcoin here, the Mac Daddy of the bunch. And you'll see that it's in this descending wedge pattern. It did break this yellow support line. Once it did that, it fell considerably. After that, dropped to the 19.5 area, right around 19,540. We did bounce and we came and tested this previous support as a resistance. We were unable to break out of it and we failed. Now watch this descending pattern. This is bullish because typically there is a breakout to the upside, but you're really going to want to watch out for 19,540 area. If we do break that, we are going to fall further. And our next level of support from there is right around 19,000. But most of you know how I already feel for Bitcoin. I have been taking advantage of this time, and I did actually recently buy under 20,000. Next up, let's look at VGX and just see what's going on there. We have been pulling back a bit, and there could either be some uncertainty, some sideways action, or there could even be a little bit of hype coming up to this definitive date where Voyager gets purchased. There are a bunch of bidders, as you may know. Binance is even interested, FTX of course is interested, but they will soon get a definitive buyer. And looking at Voyager token, it is trying to establish this 57-cent area and trying to break out of 61 cents. It is encouraging to see it riding the 50 EMA now on the 1 hour chart here. I personally think we are going to get some insane moves once a buyer is approved and once people are able to trade. Now I personally think that once trading is available, there will be a lot of sellers. But depending on who the buyer is, there could be a ton of buyers to outweigh the sellers. We're just going to have to hold tight and wait. And there's always the possibility that, we might not even get our VGX back. We might get paid some other way. And that would mitigate a lot of selling pressure, which would be a great idea for whoever acquires Voyager. And next up, we're looking at Ethereum here. And this has a similar descending wedge as well, just like Bitcoin. Now for Ethereum, you're going to want to watch 1,420. If we break that, we are falling further. Likely down to about 13,050. But I do think that the overall crypto space is great to DCA in right now. And I truly do believe that within 2 years, we will be pushing all-time highs for Bitcoin, and therefore the rest of the crypto market will see some nice gains as well. But watch for a break of this descending wedge and keep an eye on this long-term downtrend pattern. As I've said before, guys, coming up towards September, we will either break out of it or we will be pushing down. But I don't believe we're going to be trading sideways for much longer. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these are going to either break out of this downtrend and have a downtrend reversal, or they're just going to continue down. But we do have to watch for September. I think this will actually give us some direction. And next up, we've got the same thing for Cardano or ADA, a descending wedge. And this white line down here is an important one to watch because you'll see we did hit our May 11 low right here. Since then, Cardano has not created new lows. We have that negative sentiment, and yet it's been months and this hasn't created new lows. So to me, that's very telling. When things are so negative and we're not creating new lower lows, why is the negative sentiment there? You'll see our next low is established in July, but you're definitely going to want to see that Cardano bounces right around 41 cents. 41.5, and we especially don't want to see a break of 40, and even more so we don't want to see a break of 39 cents. But that's it for now, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on what crypto is doing. Let me know down below what you're watching in terms of crypto. Are you buying Bitcoin? Are you just averaging through? Are you holding back waiting for some lower levels? Let me know down below. Thanks as always, guys. Take it easy.